or you don't know how to dance, so let's get dancing in this party. First, I'm going to show one project, okay? So, it is in Scratch app. Scratch.
Oh, Scratch.
Can you see? Yes,
Where
Scratch.
it is, Leticia ma'am?
Yes, dance, dance, dance.
So today you are Leticia ma'am, right? Or Kuku ma'am?
Letitia, I'm principal now.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too.
So Scratch is in Android or
Yeah, in Android.
you have
In this
tablet?
in this tablet, there's Android.
Okay.
Okay, so there Android.
Show
you
us
can
everyone
install.
that Scratch.
So this is
Scratch. Okay.
yeah, dance, dance, and dance. This is child dance.
Just show that.
This
show
is. Do you want to see child dance or family dance?
Any family dance you can. So this is
Okay.
coding you have made, or
Yeah, I have made coding.
can you teach us?
So, I'll teach you. So, it's loading. I'll show you two projects. This one first project and the second project. This one's loading, right?
Just show in this like this.
Yeah. Can you see over here? There's next costume. So, if you put next costume, which character have you choose? Cassie, right?
Yes.
Cassie dance. Over here you can see the name. Even here you can delete any character. Over here it will show dustbin. When I press here it will show dustbin also. When you want to delete. And over here the same thing.
The happy family?
Yeah, happy family. They went to a party. Can you see over here dance party? It's written over here up.
Okay.
The project name. Okay.
So let's start then building. Just play that
Yeah.
how it is.
Okay, let me open the screen fully. Even there's song played. If you go to background, so there is a song.
That's
You
happy.
can see, right? Yeah, it's a happy family.
So these all backgrounds we can create by adding,
Yes.
coding this one.
Yeah.
With
I'll show
Scratch.
you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay?
So let's learn today, and Leticia ma'am is here today. So she is principal of ISHa school. Little ISHa school.
Yes.
So okay, ma'am. So you will teach now, or
Yeah, I'll teach.
okay.
Okay. Okay, let's start the project. So this is Scratch. You can see the screen. So we'll go to dance option over here. Wait a minute, it's loading. Okay. It will take a little time. So now the project is going to be seen. It's called as a dance project. So this is the screen, and over here you can see, right, which character I have picked. It's Cassie character. When I press this character, it's a ballerina, and this is Cassie. So Cassie, over here you can go here. Okay, so you'll see four dance options that Cassie dances in the dance stage. Okay, so suppose this one I took, then I'll go over here. Now how many costumes are there for her? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 costumes, and over here, so that's why I have put it 1. First you should put forever, and then you should put flag option, which is over here. Flag option. This is flag option. Okay. And here there's next costume. Okay, next background we'll choose in the background. So next costume I'll take. Okay, over here I've already did, and then in the orange block. Okay, in the orange block we should take the 1 second. If we take next costume, it's forever, right? So if you take next costume, it will be a little fast. See, if I take if I remove 1 second and I put only next costume, see what will happen. Here let me take out. So see what will happen to Cassie, the dance character. She'll go very fast. Wait a minute. Cassie is not moving. Okay. What's Cassie doing? It's so here, right? Now I'll just put 1 second. And now I'll put 1 second over here. Another 1 second over here. And another 1 second over here. So let us try it now. Cassie is moving, right? You can see change costume. If you don't put 1 second, so it will not move. Cassie is moving now. This character. So stop. How can I stop? I'll pause. This red button you should press up. Now this ballerina. Okay, it's a kid in this dance party. So now also here same flag forever. 1 second next costume, 1 second next costume, 1 second next costume, 1 second and next costume. Over here also same, here also same. Okay, so now let's go to the background. Over here you can see circles, right, in this screen. So another circle background will be there. Press on that. You can see I have made the project, right? So over here I went to a sound. I took the song, this song I took. Okay, so I'm not going to delete that. I took this song and then go to background again. I painted some backgrounds like I'll go over here and then over here I can choose colors, red. Suppose I choose this color. Okay, so I'll take circle and now it will get printed. See, like this circles will come on the screen. Okay, like this circles will come. This background I choose in the background option, and this also I choose in the background option, and this I choose in the background option. Other backgrounds I choose in the background option. Okay, and one background I made by myself. Now let's go to the code of the background. So I put it song, right? So now I'll take this and next so I want to change background, right? So like this, the background will be changed, right? So the background is changing because over here I put it flag and forever with 1 second next background. Do you know where you'll get next background? You'll get next background over here. So this is next background. Now 1 second, you know, right? Over here you'll get. And play sound dance until down. Okay, so I need this flag first. Now forever block, then next background, play sound dance until down. You'll get that in the pink palette. That is sound palette. So over here it is this one. In the first option you'll get this play sound, dance until dawn. Okay, so let us play. I'll open this. So now you can try.
So, is this done?
Yes. If you like this project, subscribe down. Okay. It looks hard, but it is very easy. Just be happy. Everything will be all done. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a happy project, and if you like it, so subscribe, and we'll meet you in the next class. Bye bye.
Thank